Cannonball! Oops! My hair swam away! This is Nancy, and her parents are leaving her alone during summer break. Be good and don't miss us too much. We'll be back soon. And this is Laura, their neighbor. Nancy's parents ask her to look after the house and Nancy while they are gone. Okay, challenge accepted. The deal is confirmed. I already ate, played video games, liked every post on Instagram, beat myself at chess. Now what should I do? I should call my friends. Here they are, Dave and Ashley. This is gonna be fun. First, let's get you some new tattoos, Nancy. Now we're a real gang. A friendly PlayStation tournament. Who plays like that, Dave? Give it to me. This is how you press the buttons. Time for selfies. This is the best break ever. How about some intellectual pursuits? Why did nobody tell us that playing chess with another person is way harder than playing alone? Checkmate out of here! All alone, stuck at home on vacation. Wish my friends were here, cause it's a bummer. Stuck at home all alone, stuck at home all alone. Bored all alone, stuck at home on vacation. Wish my friends were here, cause it's a bummer. Stuck at home all alone, stuck at home all alone. Now what? Should we TP the neighbor's bush? That's a classic way to have fun. Aim, fire! Nice! These garden decorations look great. My neighbors? That's it. Watch yourself, Nancy. Time for a night of scary stories. Oh no! Someone's coming! Did you hear footsteps? It's her! Our crazy neighbor! She is trying to break down the door! The other door, Dave! We'll defend our territory. I'm setting an olive trap. Children. Laura got caught up in a whirlpool of passion. Leave the guitar. Where are you hiding, neighbors? Ew! There's a whole swarm of flies here. Hey, get! Go! Oh no! It's a ghost! Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Die, you evil ghost! Go back to the great beyond! Hey, guys! Why are you vacuuming me? I was just bringing you food. Oops! Let's start our water race! Who can get their swimming device to the finish line first? Come on, unicorn! Don't let me down! My life ring broke! It's floating in the other direction! Phew! Here's the final! Oh no! It's a bad ending! fight! Save yourself while you can! I took cover! I'm going back to base! I'm a wet corpse! Why me? And here I am! Oops! Sorry, Laura! These children are the worst! What's this? Feather rain? Ew! They are everywhere! Although, I look good in feathers. The final battle is a pillow fight. Take that, Ashley! But Laura accidentally takes the hit. Why are you acting like this? You look like you got in a fight with a hen house and lost. Oh, Nancy, your parents are calling. Hello, everything's great. What's on your neck? A taxidermy goose? No, this is just fashionable these days. Okay, bye-bye. Clean these feathers up right now, ducklings. Rock, paper, scissors. You're it, Ashley. We'll go hide. We blend into nature so well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready or not, here I come. Where are you hiding, friends? Oh, gotcha! Right on target. Boo! I found you, Nancy. You lost, Nancy. Now you have to do what we say. Can you pour water all over your neighbor? Good luck. Laura was just reaching nirvana after eating a good lunch. Surprise! So much for my zen. My revenge will be a dish best served wet, Nancy. Let's wrap ourselves in blankets and have a worm race. Woohoo! Jake the worm pulls ahead. Hey guys, how are we going to get back out of these blankets? Help! Bored again. Dave, the boredom is over there. But Ashley thought of something. One word, catapult. Let's try using Nancy's swimsuit as a catapult. It didn't work. But that won't stop us. Here's the payload. Try again. No, it didn't work. Hold on. Our solution is hanging in the neighbor's yard. Laura's huge swimsuit. It'll make a perfect catapult. 1, 2, 3, fire! It's not that fun. Let's send Dave. I've always wanted to learn how to fly. Look, I'm flying! Oops! Hi, Laura! Sorry! The neighbor's revenge is coming for us. What a great vacation! Oh, hey, neighbors! Welcome back! I quit! What's going on here? A crazy party! Oops! My parents are back! That was fast! You were staying to clean, Nancy! No more parties! Did you like our staycation? Then comment below and tell us if you have any weird neighbors and how you'd spend a vacation if you were home alone. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss hilarious new videos from Troom.